Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Cheryl. It is so nice to be finally able to talk in the camera because I feel I haven't been talking in the camera for so long because ever since I moved to Dubai, I've been doing a lot of my life in Dubai vlogs, so I can speak always behind the scenes when I'm editing the video and just like talking you through the things that I've done in Dubai, which is very exciting because a lot of you are very interested of my life in Dubai as a Singaporean and how is it living here in Dubai. I have to say that I am so lucky and blessed because of the situations right now globally. It's just getting so much more tensions with the travel restrictions and stuff like that, and I'm just feeling so blessed that I get to be here in Dubai, travel here just to, you know, like being able to do a lot of things that I want to do without much restrictions. In Dubai, everything is still quite operates as per normal. It's the only difference is that you need to wear a mask, which is okay for me compared to so many other countries that are still having a lockdown. So I'm sending my love to everyone who is doing a lockdown. You will get through this. I've been through that in that phase when I was in Singapore, and I'm sure you will get through it. So yeah, today I am doing a makeup tutorial. It is inspired by the sunset that I have in Dubai. I am so lucky because from my apartment I have this amazing view that is overlooking the palm, and it's just that almost every single day I have like the best sunset from my room. If you've been following me on my Instagram or you've been watching my Dubai vlogs, you know how pretty it is, the sunset here. And so today's makeup, it's really inspired by the sunset, the golden hour, the golden glow. So this is what I call the Dubai sunset golden glow makeup tutorial, and which is also my absolute favorite makeup right now because it just blends in so perfectly with the sun hitting on the face. So yeah, before we move on, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and click the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video on my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So I like to start on with my base, which is the facial oil I've received from Veronique, and it's just smells amazing and it just makes my skin look so dewy and glossy. I just love it, so I can't wait to show you guys. I've been trying out for about 2 weeks and I really like it. So this is how it looks. As you can see inside the bottle, it has a little bit of that glossy finish. Just gonna add a few drops and then I'm just gonna put it all over my face. For sunset glow look, it's really important to build your glow from the basic, which is even before any foundations. It always helps so much with building up the glow after putting on the makeup. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Comfy Rose Go. I am just gonna put it on at the higher cheekbones area. I like to put it before the foundations to build up as much glow as I want. This makeup is the definitions of my perfect makeup look. The sunset here in Dubai just reminds me of that beautiful golden sunset glow. I'm gonna be using my Dior Backstage foundations because you know how much I like about that. It's so natural. And I'm gonna be adding my Chanel highlighting. It's a highlighting fluid. It's very natural sheer glow. So I personally do not like to have a lot of foundations. Look at how liquid it is. So I try to focus more on the outer area of my face where I have a bit more pigmentations. You can see how glowy my face is right now. This Chanel highlighting glow smells freaking amazing. I love this and I'm 100% recommending this because it's so natural. Alright, next thing I'm gonna introduce you my favorite concealer because I have been trying out so many different concealer. I even look up, do my research and try out some of the concealer that the guru they're recommending and see how good it is for them. And I understand that this is based on your individual preference, and everyone has a different skin, different texture, and how the concealer reacts to your face can be very different individually. There's so many good reviews on some of the even concealer like the Too Faced and the NARS. They are good in general, but I still find it they are relatively a little bit on the drier side for my skin, and it kind of makes my eyes, especially around this area, a little bit more cakey. So I try to use as less as possible of the products, but recently like this is the bomb for me, like as a concealer. All this while I've been looking for concealer that really wow me. I'm like, I have to share with everyone, I have to tell everyone that this is one of the best concealer that I've ever had. And if you have a dry skin, I would recommend for you to go and try it out. But this is only light to medium coverage, it's not like super heavy coverage. So this is what I'm looking for if this is something you're looking for. More dewy, more moisturizing, but a medium coverage. And this is the one you need to look for. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Liquid Concealer. I'm just gonna use this to cover my pigmentations. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced concealer. As I just said before, this can get a little bit dry under my eye area, but I found a really good technique. The best way is to put as little product as possible and then use your finger to blend it. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender right now just to set everything. Okay, next we're gonna move on to my cream contour. This is from the Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna be using my angle brush. Just gonna go in and then sculpt, always going into an upward motions because that will kind of lift up your face. Also, I like a little bit warm into my face since I got so much more tan on my body ever since I came to Dubai, because basically I'm exposed under the sun every single day because I kind of go to the pool every single day. And I just came back from a yacht yesterday for a yacht party because all our friends are here, so we have so much fun. So yeah, I get a lot of color, but I'm happy. So I'm gonna go in with my Veronique, and this is also the new highlighter I received from them, and it looks really pretty and it's so easy to apply. It's very creamy form. It just adds so much glitter and glow onto my face because it has that like golden glow, which is the perfect for this makeup look. I've been using this highlighter almost every single day into my makeup routine right now, because then you can make it as natural as you want depending on how you're blending it with your fingers. So that's what I like about this formula. Look at this glow, girls. So pretty. Alright, next I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker bronzer to fix my contour. I'm gonna be changing into smaller fluffy brush. And then I like to go here just to kind of give that illusion of a smaller nose. I like to use this as my eyeshadow base just to give that cohesive look. Next I'm gonna go in with my Maqpro powder just to set my under eye. I'm gonna be using a smaller flat brush because I'm trying to reduce it as much as possible since we want a really golden glow look. And for the rest of my face, I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and I'm just gonna tap at the bottom area. I just forgot one step. I'm gonna go in with my Giorgio Armani. This is a very light pink, so I'm gonna use this. So I'm just gonna go in here. If you want like super light and super natural blushes, you're just gonna go with your fingers. It really gives you that really healthy blushes look. Going around my nose, and then I like to go in again with my beauty blender. Make sure everything is seamless. Now I'm gonna go in with my Zoeva palette. I like to go to 4 of them, tap it on the high cheekbones. Next, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade to sculpt my eyebrow. I am gonna be doing as usual. I'm gonna go back in with my Fenty Beauty cream contour. I am just gonna be using an angle brush, and then I'm just gonna sculpt my eye shape that how I want it to be done. And I'm just gonna go in to my under eye. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown. I kind of just like draw the line and build up the wing liner as well. With that leftover, I'm just gonna go in with my fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna blend them. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this color, and it has that shimmery. And with the same color, I'm going down my under eye and to connect them. And I'm gonna tap it with my fingers. Just put it in the center. Tap it. I'm gonna use the fluffy brush to kind of blend in together. I like to just go in with my Veronique glow stick, and then I'm just gonna tap it on my eyes just to kind of give that overall golden glow vibe. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacob Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon. So I'm gonna use that to tight line. I'm using my angle brush. So I'm gonna put on the mascara using my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'll come back to yours in a short while. One last touch, I'm gonna go back to my Veronique and just gonna do it one more time on the higher cheeks and my nose tip. So for today's new lip combo, I'm gonna be using my lip liner. This is from the Huda Beauty. The color is warm brown, so I'm gonna use this to overline my lip. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Giorgio Armani. I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty lipstick, and this is the color called Hustler. And this has a little bit of that glossy finish. And the third and last Sunset Glow touch-up, I am gonna go back to my Maqpro eyeshadow palette. I'm using my angle brush. I'm just gonna kind of create a little bit of that freckles. Voila, so this is my golden hour Dubai sunset glow makeup. I hope you guys really like this makeup. This is one of my absolute favorite makeup look right now because it just makes me feel like I'm in the sun. The sun is like breezing through my face, and that glow just hitting on my face. It just makes everything so perfect. And I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you want to see more of my Dubai light, I have a playlist at the top right corner. Or if you want to see more of inspired makeup look that I've done in the past, I will put it up at the playlist at the top right corner for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and also don't forget to click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. Make sure to check out my Instagram for more of my daily updates in Dubai, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love you.